Hi guys, I'm Natasha. Welcome back to Miss Malini's beauty channel. Now Sonam Kapoor is making big beauty waves right before her Neecha movie release. So I've taken some inspiration from her bird eyeliner and I'm going to recreate it and show you how you can do it too. So that's how you get the bird eyeliner. Now it might not be the simplest thing ever, but it's sure enough to make a statement wherever you go. So be sure to try this out, and if you do, leave a comment below and tell us how you did. Bye bye birdie. Go go go. If you like this video, like and subscribe.